Hey, welcome to Motorhead Garage. Well, folks, look what I'm in here, an old 56 Ford pickup truck. Believe me, this brings back a lot of memories because when I was a kid growing up at a farm there in southern Indiana, this is what I drove most of the time, an old blue pickup truck. We called it the Blue Goose. Anyway, the thing you run into with these old vehicles is things wear out. And one of the things that's wore out on this is, of course, the door latch. Well, that's what we're going to fix today. We're going to fix the door latch, and Sam can tell you all about it.
What Dave's talking about here is from our friends at Trick Manufacturing. They got the Altman Easy Latch Kit, got preformed metal panels that go in there. Of course, has your latch bolted to it. You get everything you need in the kit to get rid of the door problem. You get nice stainless steel hardware, button heads. You get billet strikers. You even get little attachments so it works with the locks. And of course, whether you got door handles or you got shaved door handles, they got the application for it. And of course, they got an interior group. They make all kinds of nice billet stuff. Putting a set of these latches in will really upgrade this truck. Dave, show them how it's done.
Here's where we are, folks. We got Terry Altman here with Trick Manufacturing. He's the founder of this. And Terry, how did you get involved in it?
Well, this started out of necessity, Dave. I had spent 5 years redoing a 55 F100, and when I got it all done and painted, and assembled, and ready to go to the show, I couldn't get the doors to work right.
I was reading through the instructions. Seems like it's a piece of cake.
Pretty easy. Get the latch out.
Now let me see what
Right
you're
here.
doing here. I'm going to show the folks what you got going here.
There's a little tab on the end of this door lever.
All right, Terry, these are relatively simple, aren't they?
That's right. We just gotta get this latch off. That's the original latch.
Let me see that now. Okay, so this is what the original latch looks like, and you can see it's been weathered a lot, been over a lot of miles, but these things do eventually wear out, so we'll put on a new one. All right, in the kit comes a template like this. Now there's a line right here, and what Terry has done is he's marked it on the other side as well. Now, take this template, and it'll work for either side, the right or the left. So Terry's going to line it up here with
line it up
screw
with the
hole.
inside original latch hole right here.
Okay.
Just fold it on the corner. Mark around it.
And you're just going to mark around it then. All right, now once he's done that, we get the mark off of there. Then the next step is we're going to take this little cutoff saw and we'll cut that out. All right, now Terry has got the holes all drilled in here, and now before we mount this, something I want to show you folks. We got the handle off, and this is of course the button here that you push to open it up. Well, on the inside, and we want to show this to you before we mount it so you can see what's going on. Right in here, this is an adjustment. What we want to do is we adjust this so when it pushes against this latch, as you can see, this is what opens the latch here. We can adjust this so when you just barely push it in, why, it'll unlock it. So we want to show you what this is all about, but we have to adjust this once we put it in. Okay, Terry, go ahead and put that in. Okay, so now the next step, Terry installed our lock plate. Then after that, we installed our handle. And then after that, Terry went ahead and hooked up the lever down here to our handle in here. Now let's check this out. Here's what happened. I'll go ahead and trigger this. We adjusted our outside door handle here, so we had just a little play, and that works fine. Do this, let's check on the inside. That works great there, Terry. And you got the striker now mounted, so all we have to do is check this out and see if the door will close. Okay, Terry, let's see how well you did. Go ahead and close her. You're a magic man. It looks like we might have to do a little bit of an adjustment on that, but overall, it came out pretty darn nice. So there you go, folks. Terry, I want to thank you for stopping by, and your Trick Manufacturing lock here is terrific. Now, by the way, what you might want to think about doing too is once you've got it installed, you may want to take it out. You can paint that so it'll match, and it'll be perfect. So we're going to take a short break. When we come back, we got a lot more here on Motorhead Garage, so stick around.